First of all, thank you to all the new subscribers that I've seen of late. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. Let me know what you come for, what kind of content you like more of. Make sure you hit the notifications bell to know when I put out new content. It's very varied because it's kind of a DIY, tiny home living, kayaking, just what I do as She's Electric and Mizz-fix-it. So let me know if there's a specific kind of content you'd like to see more of. Big apologies to everyone that this summer I just kind of took off without even really thinking about it. I could play outside a little bit more, so I was. Today there's a hurricane brewing in Florida, so I'm home. So I'm like, you know what? I'm overdue for making a video. Let me do it. But thank you all for supporting there. I want to announce that we're going to have another giveaway. We're so close to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you all. So close. So once again, whoever gets the most of their friends to come to this channel and check it out, give it a chance, like and subscribe. Make sure that they put in their notes that so-and-so sent me so that you get the credit, and whoever gets the most, I'm going to mail your giveaway gift. Gonna be honest, I haven't decided what it is yet, but it will be good. And beyond that, it will be my eternal gratitude also. And maybe a piece of art. I'm painting these days in COVID-landia. So whatever you would prefer to, you could also put in the comments down below. Let me know. But thanks to you all. Let's reach 1,000 subscribers so I can get paid by YouTube. And to those that did say, it seems like you want to get paid. Yeah, that's one of the main reasons. I mean, besides sharing my knowledge and enjoying the time that I spend with you guys, I mean, what's wrong with getting a little side money? Just saying. So, with that said, let's get into today's episode. So this light was ordered by my client from Amazon. You can see the name if you want the same kind of light. She had no switches controlling them. There was nothing there before besides the garage, but she wanted them to be controlled to come on at night and go off in the day. So she's got some dusted on light bulbs. That is definitely one option. They came mainly put together already. You just had to install the top and the bottom little decorative pieces, but other than that, it's pretty much already together. So I'm gonna install the threaded pieces as explained. You want to measure off from the garage the same distance on both sides. I use the base of the light to mark where the end of my light is going to be. So that's how much space I have to make holes, basically to drill up into the attic. These are the tools and the parts we're going to be using here. I take down the awning a bit so that I can fish the wire up from where the box is going to be installed to above the awning so I can then fish it into the attic. Once it's fished into the attic, you can see I have the whole roll of wire there. Not sure how much I'm going to need. Going up into the attic right there in the garage, and then I'm gonna crawl over to that tight little beautiful spot where I fished up the wire. Of course, this is a solo install, so if you're doing it on your own, you're gonna be doing it like this. If you have somebody to grab in the attic, good for you. So I pulled all that I needed, and it left me quite a bit outside, which is good because I needed to go over to the light on the opposite side of the garage also. Fishing it once again in the attic space, coming over. Very simple. We got our feed from the light in the attic, so that's a constant power. Then it's just black to black, white to white. Gonna mount it to the wall, the little nuts that are installed there. Then install the dusk to dawn light bulb. Make sure it's facing out so it can get the light and sense when to come on and off. Put the decorative part on top after you have, of course, installed the light bulb. Don't do it before. And voila, there is your beautiful coach light. And hopefully you've measured well, and it will look something like this. You want them to look like they have always been there. Success!